thing that I want you to see is the idea is very simple, and it's presented right in the headline and subhead. And so it says the one simple investment that hands you passive rental payments every 90 days from over 84 buildings occupied by the United States government and the United Nations. It's a rare opportunity for the little guy investor to collect safe and secure ongoing payments from the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the Internal Revenue Service, the U.S. Food and Drug Association, and 29 other federal and state governmental agencies. So my approach was that at the time that I wrote this, which is a handful of years ago, my idea was simple, that it was a unique idea to be able to get paid rental payments from the government. The idea that the government was renting their office space was new, was unknown, it wasn't being talked about. And so the ability to get rental payments every 90 days from the US government was kind of new and exciting. And here's the angle that I went with. I dimensionalized what it means to collect rental payments from the US government. So I said, picture this. You own 84 buildings with over 10.4 million square feet of office space, valued at over $1.9 billion in 31 different states, including Washington, D.C., all securely leased long-term to US state and federal agencies, as well as the United Nations. And because you're an owner, you consistently receive massive rental payments every quarter without fail from such governmental agencies as, and then I listed out a bunch.